On February 22, 1922, Mooresville High School students celebrated a basketball victory over Monrovia High School, 24 points to 22 points, around the silent policeman pedestal built by Raymond King in the middle of the intersection of Main and Indiana Streets in downtown Mooresville. Yell leaders, what we now call cheerleaders, Delbert Wilson and Merle Pinhead Harvey, stand atop the silent policeman. Note the horse carriage and the automobile, which were parked in separate areas reserved for horse-drawn vehicles on North Indiana Street and motor vehicles on East Main Street. The Oddfellows, or IOOF building, is in the background, where today stands Mooresville Bicentennial Park. Note, too, that the silent policeman has been positioned incorrectly. It should have been turned 180 degrees to correctly designate directions to the cities listed. The stand could be moved. This was a popular prank among high schoolers from neighboring communities. They would steal the silent policeman and haul it away somewhere, and Mooresville police would have to bring it back.